Can you feel it? There's a rushing wind at our back, and we're rushing in. Don't even know where we'll land. Can you hear it? There's a steady sound getting louder as our feet touch down. Follow the night until it's ringing.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, Beshi. And welcome to the club. Enjoyin lang natin ang life. That's all. I love you.
And enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. Enjoy the ride. Can you see it? There's a distant shore getting closer. We want nothing more than a dance in the waves, like we
Happy
never
birthday,
danced
Julie!
before.
Happy birthday,
We
Julie!
found
I love you!
something to hold on to now. So we hold on and enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this
Happy
is our
birthday,
time. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa kanila, sa kanilang pinakita sa akin, lalong-lalo na sa anak kong panganay. Masayang-masaya ako nang narito siya dahil binigyan niyang halaga ang aking kaarawan.
There are places I remember all my life.
Ngayon po sa iyong ika-6 na pong kaarawan, gusto namin iparamdam at ipakita sa iyo kung gaano ka namin kamahal at kung gaano kami ka-proud and thankful na ikaw ang aming ina.
Dreaming, all these places had their moments with lovers and friends. I still can recall. Some are dead and some are leaving.
Happy birthday,
My life,
Happy birthday,
I love
Julie!
them
Love you!
all.
Happy birthday, Tita Julie! We love you!
But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new.
Nung araw ay kami magkapit-bahay sa Pitong-Gatan. Tapos magkababata. Tapos magkaklase kami ng LM. Nung maliliit kami, alam nyo ba? Namumulot kami ng lata. Tatawid kami ng tubigan. Dala-dala namin sako para lang may kapera kami.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng umatin pati at nagbigay ng anhan sa akin, nagbigay ng importansya sa aking buhay. Maraming salamat.
That went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them.
Happy birthday, Mami! Sana patuloy ka naming makasama sa madaming taon pa at dasal namin na maging masaya at malusog ka sa bawat araw. Mahal na mahal ka namin.